just all about new experiences. We're not traveling very far. We're going, it was probably only about an hour and a half from where we just left to our next state park, and we thought this would be a really good opportunity, since it's a fairly short travel day, short mileage, to come to a Blue Beacon truck wash. We have not actually washed our rig since picking it up in Florida. It's not too bad. I mean, we haven't been under any sappy trees or anything like that. We just mainly have dust, dirt, and bugs from going down the road, as you might imagine, so much. So we have heard from various other RVers, and we've seen a couple of videos, and we have decided to come to the Blue Beacon in Eloy, Arizona. So we went a little bit out of our way, but again, we have plenty of time to play with today. So we are just off of I-10, not too far from our final destination today, but we are going to go ahead and get both our truck and our fifth wheel washed, and we'll film that and see how it goes, and hopefully it's going to be a really good experience. And it's something that we can do every once in a while when we feel like we need to get it. We want to definitely make sure we take care of the fifth wheel, the paint, and keep it in good condition. Okay, it's 12:36 and we are pulling in immediately behind, and they are already starting to spray us down. We are getting both the truck and the trailer washed with no acid, and we're getting Rain-X treatment on both the truck and the trailer. So we'll see how long it takes and how much it costs. No. Darcy likes to bite at water, by the way. Here we go on in. Good job pulling in, by the way. Darcy. Calm down. How much was it?
$57.50.
$57.50 to wash basically a 22-foot long truck, a over 38 feet long fifth wheel, wash both, and
the
Rain-X. That's awesome.
That is very awesome.
Oh, look at it. Gotta say it works. Aw, this makes me miss rain. We've been in the desert for so long. Not really, but it feels like it. That took exactly 10 minutes. Whoa. No outside services for us. We opted to not. If you do want a hand dry or tire dressing or anything, they do that out here. But we are just going to leave. We are going to go
1/4 mile
over just across the street to Flying J, just for a little pit stop.
All right, we just got the rig washed and we pulled over to Flying J, used the bathroom, etc. Don't need diesel, but it looks good. I did not get the additional drying and all of that on the outside surfaces, but everything looks really nice. They did an excellent job. $57.50 to wash both the truck and the fifth wheel. There were a ton of bugs up on the front end cap, and there's still a few spots left, but not many at all. There was also a lot of gunk back up in here, tar and stuff. There's some spots over there still left, but wow, overall, that was awesome. Oh, and our front grille, this had a ton of bugs on it. Looking good, Chewy and Claude. Reach that, obviously.
Look at this nice, clean windshield. No bugs. That'll change here in a little bit. That was a really awesome experience. I'm glad we did that.
Continue on I-10.
Okay. GPS is freaking out and thinks we're going the wrong way. Apparently this was moved.
Turn right on South Picacho Highway, then take the second left.
She's just going to be upset for a while.
South Picacho Highway.
Apparently this used to be the frontage road.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
Come on, Rita.
Recalculate. That's a hill. We're thinking we may just abandon this RV deal and go stay at this Dove Mountain Ritz-Carlton somewhere down there. Sounds better.
It's very spa-like.